Hi, I'm James, co-worker and resident kitchen expert at IKEA. Everyone dreams of a kitchen designed for their life and specific needs, and at IKEA, we're here to help make that happen every step of the way. In this video, we'll give you an outline of what we offer and a breakdown of the process involved in getting into your new IKEA kitchen. Creating your dream kitchen is a big job, and it can be hard to know where to start. A great starting point is to gather inspiration, and at IKEA, there are plenty of places to find it. Start either in store with our friendly co-workers or online, where you'll find a gallery of kitchen inspiration with a variety of dream solutions. Our method cabinets will suit even the most difficult of kitchen layouts, and our interior organizers are made to fit exactly with our kitchen storage range, maximizing every millimeter and turning dead space into smart extra storage. And to make it easier to seamlessly integrate appliances into your space, we offer a range of stylish, energy-efficient appliances which come with a 5-year guarantee, with no additional cost. No kitchen is complete without lighting, which is something that is quite often overlooked when planning a kitchen, but can make a huge difference to the functionality and ambience of your space. Our smart lighting range includes remote dimmable lighting, interior drawer lighting, and spotlights for your glass display cabinets. All of these features work together to ensure your kitchen is a space where you can not only cook, but also entertain and create a soft and inviting atmosphere. It's okay to dream big with your IKEA kitchen, as we make your dream kitchen an affordable one. Our complete kitchen solutions come with a 25-year guarantee, and we also offer up to 24 months interest-free finance for approved applicants, helping you make your dream kitchen a reality sooner. Once you've done your research and gathered your inspiration, your vision can start to take shape. The next step is to measure, plan, order, and install your kitchen. Precise measurements are crucial when planning your kitchen, and if you want a little extra help, we've got you covered. We can schedule a professional service provider to measure everything for you. Once measurements are taken, you'll be ready to move ahead to the planning stage. There are 3 ways to do this. First, you can tackle it yourself with the IKEA Home Planner. Access this online or come in store where our kitchen specialists can coach you through as you plan. Or, for a more one-on-one approach, we offer a 2-hour in-store planning appointment with one of our dedicated kitchen specialists who will guide you through the planning process step by step. If you would prefer to plan your dream kitchen from the comfort of your own home, we also offer 3-hour in-home appointments. Alternatively, we can schedule planning appointments organized remotely via Skype. Placing your kitchen order is next. You can do this in person by visiting your local IKEA store, or if you'd rather do it from home, you can purchase your kitchen online and our customer service team can review your plan. From here, the only thing left to organize is delivery, assembly, and installation. A complete kitchen comes flat packed, so you can take it home yourself, but for peace of mind, we recommend our affordable delivery service. We can also connect you with professional kitchen installers to make the installation process efficient and effortless for you. Getting a new kitchen is an exciting experience, and here at IKEA, our knowledgeable and experienced team will help you turn your dream kitchen into reality. Start your kitchen journey with us today at ikea.com.au or come in store and say hello.